Oh, this looks good. Wow.
It's not, cosmetics ain't done yet. I just put it together.
You got some room too. A little bit of room for your behind your beef filler. Nice. So you know me, I like to know before the demo. So what's your name and what's in here, man?
Name's Craig Scott. I got 6 ZV6 15s and a 6th order. Running right now, I'm running off of 2 Ruthless 8500s wired at 133. So I'm a little underpowered for right now.
Wow. Shop all things car audio at Sonic Electronics and use discount code JacobViral at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. This is nice. That's some crazy fab work to build in. This was built in here.
Yeah.
Wow.
Jake Zimmerman, SDK Enclosures, doing the Enclosure
yes.
for me.
Wow. Do you know the cubes roughly, or do you remember that at all?
I don't remember off the top of my head.
That's
I just
okay.
told him what I wanted to build it.
Okay. What was your goals out of it?
Musical building.
Musical. Okay.
I mean, it's a demo truck, but I didn't want just windy.
Yes, sir.
I wanted music, so
Yeah.
I can play pretty much about 20 to about 50, 55 hertz.
Okay.
Pretty well.
Nice. Sweet, man. That looks good. I know you said it's still work in progress, but it looks really good, man. I like it.
Still underpowered.
Okay. What's your alternator lithium power?
Lithium, right now I'm running a 43.5 amp hour skip. LTO bank, that's running off a 2 Meckman 400, Elite 400s.
Okay.
And then I'm running a factory battery under the hood with a 420 JS off. Okay. And that's powering my mids and highs for right now.
Okay. Okay. And how did you what made you wire 2 subs mounted versus 4 inverted? Was there a reason behind?
Well, originally Jake was worried about the port hitting the sub, which I had clearance. Yeah. But I wanted to be able to see the logo on the paint, and it's just something different.
Yeah, it looks good.
I like it. Everybody runs them all inverted.
Yeah. Got it.
And sound-wise, it sounds fine. So
yep. Awesome.
I let it ride like it is.
How low do you play down to, you think, now?
Right now, on power that I got, I can play down to, 18-ish, up to about 52, 55.
You did a really good job.
I blame this on you. You might not remember and everything else. I worked with you. Okay. And then I bought a
How you doing?
Hey, pal, what's up?
How you doing, man?
Good?
Pretty good. Hanging out there.
You hear it yet? Hold on, let me get a picture. See you again,
You too,
Jacob.
man. You too.
Yeah, man.
Dark side.
What's going on, man?
How you doing? Wow. I appreciate the info. Yeah, man. Sorry. Yeah, man. I'd love to hear it. Nice. Wow.
I've been throwing down the whiskey. gotta give my money back. Someone said it turns a memory. Oh, but it ain't doing. It's something you prove. I need something you prove. Put 'em up to shut 'em down, yeah. You know I ain't out of brand, yeah. Don't matter what time or town, I can get you gone. Yeah, I guess I need something you. Yeah, I'm in. Feel like it's yeah. Looking for something that does it. Yeah, body selling nothing. Yeah, I'm in. Yeah, I need something.
Me and my friends sat at the table doing shots, drinking fast, and then we talk slow. Looking for something that does it. Body selling nothing. Yeah, I've been. Feel like yeah, I need something. Yeah. Like it's me. I need something. Yeah, I've been. Feel like yeah, I need gone. Looking for something that does it. Body selling nothing. Yeah, I've been. Feel like yeah, I need something.
There's no fall off. That sounds clean bandwidth all around. I appreciate it, man. Nice. Yeah. How low do you play down to, you think, now?
Right now, on the power that I got, I can play down to, depending on song, 18-ish, up to about 52, 55.
And the bandwidth, that's why.
That was 20
it. I appreciate the demo, man. Nice. Yes, sir. Good to see you again. You too. You did a really good job.